Okay.
Okay, yeah, it's recording.
Okay, Sanjay. Just you just brief me what you have the knowledge in the Python. So based on that, we will continue the session.
Okay,
Can you brief me the what level of understanding you have Python?
sure. So I know like very basic Python. Like
Mm,
I know maybe how to print names, do some
okay.
basic mathematics,
Yes.
and let's see. Like in class, they're teaching us Python. So like they give us this, a turtle program?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so like I know a bit of turtle,
Mm,
uh, a bit of other math stuff, and yeah, that's about it, I think. Yeah.
okay. Okay. Fine. So even though just you are have some knowledge about the Python, so then what we have to do is even though we need to start from like a revision, if you already know the concept, once we need to practice the commands also, so that we will in a sequence go and we need to dig into this Python in detail. Is it okay for
Okay.
you?
Okay. Yeah.
That is my idea. So in your machine, you already installed Python.
Yeah, I have PyCharm.
You have PyCharm, Python. Which version you have? My screen is visible, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you just Python iPhone version you need to check in your system once?
Okay. So how do you open the prompt you've opened?
No, just like how I am entering. Just see, just you window R key, window
Okay,
R
window
you
R.
press. There is a
Okay.
run dialog. Run dialog will be open.
Yeah.
Then in that you type CMD.
CMD. Okay.
Then OK.
Right.
So you get the this command window, right?
Yeah.
So in this command window, what you have to do is just you need to type Python.
Okay.
Same way you got the environment in your system also.
So I press Python and enter.
Yes,
Okay.
you type Python and enter.
It takes me to the Microsoft Store.
Can you share your screen once?
Okay. I don't have anything yet. I have PyCharm though.
That's okay. That will come to for ID integration. That ID part will come later. First we
Okay.
need to checking for the environment is ready. Everything is ready in your
It says
system
I
or not.
can't share my. It says I can't share my screen.
Okay. I'm stopping sharing. Just you share your screen.
It says you have to enable the screen sharing for me.
Now you have the option in the bottom. There is a green color share
Yeah,
screen.
I know. I know, but you disabled it seems. Then the settings for the meeting.
Oh, it is in disable mode.
Yeah, for me.
Multiple participants. Now you need to check.
Okay, I have it now.
You got a.
Yeah, so this is what it gives me.
That's correct. That's what only I'm asking.
Okay,
So,
should I get it?
no, you are not installed in your system.
No,
Yes.
it's not.
Just from no need. Just go to Google and type Python.
Okay.
From here also you're downloading, right? Okay.
Python. Okay.
Just Google. You are. I'm not able to view another screen. Only this screen only is there.
Yeah, I know. 1 second. Python. I'm searching it out. Okay, let me stop screen sharing and then do it again.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Just python.org. Just that one. Downloads. Click onto that.
Yeah,
You
downloads.
download Python 3.10.7. Yes. Download for Windows.
Okay.
Your machine is Windows system only, right?
Yeah.
Fine. You can download it.
Okay.
Wait. Just once, Siddharth.
Yeah.
Once again, just open the run dialog, like command prompt. Just in the search in Windows.
Okay. Okay.
I can't able to see another screen. Only one screen only I can able to see.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me try to
You
fix that then.
you can share that desktop.
Okay. One
There is
second.
there is a share option. Share screen. First
Yeah.
option
Yeah.
you need to select so that
Okay.
if you open anything
Okay. Now you can see it, right?
you want, no need to already there in your machine.
I don't know if it's there or not.
That's what I have the doubt. Once you open your command prompt, just search command cmd. Okay, just python enter. Yes, already python is installed in your machine, Siddharth.
Oh, now it is. Because before I tried it, it wasn't there.
Before it is not came like this, huh?
No, it didn't. It took me to the Microsoft Store.
Okay. Now, okay. So you have the Python is installed in your machine, and the Python is already available into path also.
Okay.
In the environment path also there. Okay. Now, just generally, okay. Now, the installation of Python in your system is also available, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, just that this history of the Python. Okay, that we will discuss later part. Just today we will try to understand the basics of this Python basic programming. So we
Okay.
will plan the detailed schedule by tomorrow onwards, and we will try to go in detail. Just what
Okay.
exactly we will try to explore. I will try to just give the concepts. What exactly we will try to understand in this. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Just suppose we need to installation is over, right? Now we need to try to just open that command prompt itself, so we can able to write your python program, right? You already aware about the print statement, right? So
Yeah.
print of some hello. Okay, if you
Okay.
use this print of hello statement, so just very simple way we are printing, right? now
Okay.
now one important thing, you are aware about the java program.
The Java program, yeah, but I never coded in it though.
Right. Now, see the difference. Once, see how exactly we need to write the Java code. Just you observe here. Okay.
Okay.
See, file new. This
Wait
is
one
my
second. Share your screen. I can't see your screen.
my screen is not visible. Huh?
I can't see. I can't see your screen.
Oh, sorry. My screen is visible now.
Yeah.
Okay. See, now just what I did is just print hello. Just this statement I executed, right?
Yeah.
So immediately we will get the output here itself.
Okay.
So, what is the main difference between this Java and Python? See, if you same program, if we are trying to write in Java, just for comparison with the other programming language. So, what exactly in Python the simplicity we have, just for that purpose only. I am trying to see. This is a simple Java program, right?
Okay.
Just if we need to write same hello using another programming like Java, these many number of instructions we need to give.
Okay.
That is a first headache. More number of lines of length of the code is increased. Okay.
Okay.
Then we need to save this file in some file. That is the second step we have to do. Okay, we need to save this
Okay.
file. Then we need to compile this file. So how to compile for the Java program? So just in D drive, I have Python training is my folder, root folder. So in this folder, I saved my a.java file just now. I hope you got the clarity, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now here, if it is a Java programming, what we need to do, we need to try to compile the program. Compilation is the first step. We can't
Wait,
even
what is compiling?
compilation is nothing but we are given some instructions in this notepad, right?
Okay.
These instructions the machine can able to understand, right?
Yeah.
So this is a high level, means this is like a user readable form, but
Okay.
the machine can't understand directly as it is what it is a b like that. Machine can able to understand only in binary form, zeros and ones only.
Okay.
So this entire program will be converted into the like machine code.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
It will be translated into the machine code, means zeros and ones.
Okay.
That internally this Java virtual machine can able to perform that job. Okay, means it will be translating to another form. That is a
Okay.
compiling the high level code will be transformed into machine level, machine understandable form.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So this compiler, now I'm trying using Java C in Java compiler.
Okay.
So Java compiler, and we need to compile this program, whatever the program we are written, that we need to compile, and first we are compiling it.
Okay.
So my program is compiled. After compiling of that program, it will generate one file called .class file. It will be generated. So a dot class will be generated in that directory.
Okay.
So that class file is again in the intermediate form. So that is also the machine can't understand. I will try to open that file for you. Python training. Yes. See, this is a class file. If you open this file, see anything we can able to in a readable form?
No.
No. This is a byte code. Okay.
Okay.
So our instructions will be translated into this byte code. So who will be performed this job is JVM will be done that job for us. Internally Java Java virtual machine will be there.
Okay.
Okay. So now this byte code again we need to try to see the output, right?
Yeah.
So how we need to see the output? Again, we need to run our program. Again, now our code is into the machine. It will be translated into the byte code, right?
Oh, yeah.
That we need to execute now. Execution is just Java and file name.
Okay.
So while we are executing this, again, what happens? That machine code again converted into the user understandable form, and we will get the whatever the message we written inside a print statement that will be displayed here. Hello.
Okay.
So this is the output of that in program.
Okay.
So now just simply you understand how much complexity means for writing small program in Java. We need to write some lines of code, we need to compile it, and we need to execute it, and we need to get the output, right? These many steps we are performing, right?
Yeah.
But the same program, if we develop using the Python, same program we are developing in the Python, is we
Okay.
did is we how many instructions we written here?
One.
Only one instruction we are written.
Yeah.
Did we saved anywhere this file?
No.
No. just we are entering. Did we compile here?
No.
No compilation step also I'm not done, right?
No.
So just directly we are getting the output from that statement, right? That instruction.
Yeah.
Means what happens here in Python, they are not performing the compilation step, first thing.
Yeah.
Then what happens? It is in the like Python have interpreter. So it is like a script. The Python script will be executed directly. So without compilation.
Okay.
So Python is a interpreted language. Interpreted language. Are you
Okay.
getting my point? Interpreted language, sir, no need to compile.
Okay.
So it will parse our data and directly we will get the output. That is the meaning. Hello?
Yeah, I have it.
Now you got the clarity, right? The why this compilation is not there. That is one big advantage for using Python, first step.
Okay.
So for that, now you got the clarity?
Yeah, I do.
Yes, thank you. Now in Python, just I am listing what general structure, what generally we need to dig into this Python session. So generally we will try to installation part, you already aware about that. Just we need to try to understand Python identifiers. So what is an identifier? You have any idea?
No.
See, simple Siddharth. How I need to identify you?
My name?
Your name only, right?
Yeah.
So how I need to identify, suppose some animal?
Their name?
Their name only, right?
Okay.
So identifier is nothing but some name we need to allocate that particular thing, right?
Yeah.
So same way in Python, so where we need to use this identifier, like a method means functions, right?
Yeah, functions.
Functions have the name.
Yeah.
So it is an identifier, right?
So is a variable also a Python identifier?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Means generally identifier is the name given to entities. What are the
Okay.
entities here? Like class name, function name, variable name, okay, like that.
Okay.
I hope you
Okay.
got the clarity, right? What is an identifier?
Yeah.
So this identifier, now there are some rules for each and every language. See, while we are learning our English language at the beginning, suppose we are now think we are in the nursery class.
Okay.
In nursery class, what exactly we need to learn?
Alphabets?
Alphabets. Yes, the alphabets. Then slowly in first class, like a word framing, then sentence, like that. We are understanding the language, right?
Yeah.
Now, same like this Python also, we need to learn that language basics.
Okay.
Any language, not only Python, any language, we need to try to, every language has some set of rules like syntax and semantics for that particular language.
Yeah.
That we need to learn first. If you choose Python, Python has its own syntax. If you choose Java, Java has own syntax. If you choose C language, C has its own syntax. C++, another syntax. Like means the implementation is different from language to language. The syntax and semantics are different from language to language.
Okay.
Okay, that is one more point you should have here. For this writing identifier, what are the rules we have? So that is we need to try to understand. The first rule for in the Python we need to try to understand is, so Python identifier. Uh, just what is an identifier? Just if you want, you need to just identifier is nothing but just name only, na?
Yeah.
Identifier is the name given to entities. Given to entities.
Okay.
So what are the entities here? So like a class is one entity.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So entities, examples of entities. So here class is one entity.
Yeah.
Then you have like functions, like methods in another programming. This is one another
Okay.
entity. Okay.
Yeah.
Variables is
Okay.
another entity. Okay. Like we have uh, like a module name in Python. We have
Yeah.
the modules. Okay.
Yeah.
Like like package structure, like in another program that we will discuss later. So like anything we need to identify, it have some naming convention. That is
Yeah.
an identifier. Just simply we say that.
Yeah.
Okay. For identifier, we have certain rules, Siddharth.
Okay.
So what is the first rule? So identifier can be identifier. You already aware about these rules, Siddharth?
Like to name them,
Ah,
like they can have a like
alphabets A to Z, and identifier
yeah,
can be combination of letters.
letters and numbers, right?
Yes, it is. It may be lowercase or uppercase or digits. Even
Yeah.
underscore is also there.
But the first letter of the identifier cannot be capital.
That rules we have. Okay, you are aware about this identifier rules. Okay, even though once
Yeah.
we need to recall the points. Okay, identifier can be combination of letters
No, letters. Yeah.
in lowercase, letters in lowercase.
Yeah.
So lowercase means A to Z.
Okay.
Okay, or uppercase.
Okay.
Uppercase letter. So this is capital A to capital Z. Okay.
Okay.
Then even digits from 0 to 9. Okay.
Okay.
Underscore. Not a hyphen. It is an underscore.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next rule is like how exactly we need to form the names. Suppose I need to write a class. Okay. Suppose my class. So my class like this. So it may be combination of lower and uppercase letters. Then variable name, if you need to write. Okay. This is a number one, or else just we need to write employee name, like variable name. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm?
Yeah.
And next rule is identifier names must begin with a letter or underscore.
Okay.
Identifier names must begin with a letter or underscore only.
Okay.
Underscore. Okay. So example for this is just can I give, now you need to suppose can I give like variable name like employee, like one employee name? Can I write a variable name like this?
No.
No, because variable name, identifier name must begin with a letter or underscore. So this is a wrong. So
Okay.
we can't write like this. Is it right or not?
Yeah.
Now, can I write begin with underscore. Can I write like this? Employee name.
Yeah.
Employee name. Can I write a variable name like this?
Yeah, you
Yes.
can.
Yes. This is correct. So this is no. Okay. Now you got the clarity, right?
I do.
Okay. Next, if you need to write number, another way is begin with letter, right? Student name. Like this, we can able to write.
Yeah.
Okay. This is also valid identifier, right?
Yeah.
So identifier names must begin with a letter. That letter may be either lowercase or uppercase, Siddharth.
Okay.
And even underscore also.
Okay.
Right? Fine. The next rule is and one more important thing is suppose we have another special symbols, right? Like Siddharth, our meeting will be end in 10 minutes. Again, we need to rejoin the same link
Okay.
because it is a 40 minutes session, basically.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. We will see now. We have like some special symbols, right? Exclamatory mark, at the rate, is it right or not? And a
Yeah.
hash symbol, then dollar symbol, then we have percentage, percentile. Like we have some special symbols, right?
Yeah.
So these special symbols we can't use as an identifier name. So
Yeah.
that is also another important. We cannot use special symbols in our identifier name.
Okay.
Identifier. Okay. Suppose if I see here student at the rate student at the rate name, can I use like this as an identifier?
No.
No. Except underscore, there are no any other special symbol we are not allowed for a identifier. That is one fundamental rule you can able to uh, just remember it.
Okay.
Except underscore, no other special symbol we can't use as an identifier.
Okay.
So next is and see one more case here. How much length for the identifier?
Sorry.
Length of the identifier.
It can be however long we want, right?
Yes, it can be any length.
Yeah.
So identifier can be any length.
Yeah.
Any length. Okay. Next, one more point is one more you need to observe here. Can I write like this, Siddha? Student followed by space, then name. Can I
No.
write identifier name like this?
No.
No, because it will treat as student as one identifier, name as another identifier, right?
Yeah.
It is not a single identifier. So based on this condition, what we understand, no spaces between identifier names.
Yeah.
So that is also another rule. No spaces between identifier. Okay.
Okay.
Next is we need to generally follow this like a camel case convention. Okay. Like it is depends. Like if it is a method name, we will start a method name start with the lowercase. If it is a class name will start with a capital letter. Then the next word is another capital, like that. Okay, while we are practice, we can able to understand that. Okay, means camel case is nothing but capitalize every first letter.
No, it's cam case would be first would be small letter, and the second word would be the capital one.
Like this only, na student name. Like this we can.
Yeah, like that.
Yes. Okay. So this is not allowed. Spaces is not allowed.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So identifier. The next concept is like keywords.
Okay.
Keywords. See, once this keywords, this is one important concept. Siddharth. In Python, the complete Python depends on these keywords only. If we are aware about the keywords, almost you are an expertise in the Python course. Usage of this keyword, that is one important point. So keyword is nothing but what is it is like we'll go for restaurant, we'll book our seat, right? Like a reservation, we'll do that. So keywords also in Python, these are the reserved words. So they can't use for any other purpose. That is the meaning.
Okay.
So we can't use like this reserved words as a identifier name. This reserved words as a method name. This reserved words as a function name. So we can't use for any other purpose.
Okay.
These are reserved for that particular purpose only. Okay. Now, is Python is case sensitive or case insensitive, Siddha?
Case sensitive.
Case sensitive.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
So means lowercase and uppercase are different, right?
Yeah.
That is also one important point you should aware about that. So just a total, we'll see just keywords. So we need to. There are 33 keywords are there, Siddharth.
Wait,
So,
33 or how many keywords?
33. We can able to check also that if you need to open your command window there in Python, here just you need to import keyword. Keyword is there. Import keyword.
Okay.
Okay, import spelling mistake we written.
Okay.
Import keyword. Then you need to print the keywords. Print statement. Print of. Okay. This keyword dot keyword list. Keyword list.
Okay.
See, so my screen is control.
Yeah, I can see a screen. Yeah.
One thing I will do, what I will do is I will copy this into the notepad so that you can able to view that keywords. See here, there are 33 keywords are there. These are the keywords.
Yeah.
Okay, total 33 keywords are there. Now these keywords, so we need to postmortem for one categories so that we can able to easily understand that concept. Okay, the first category for this keyword is comparison operations. Comparison operations. We will dig into detail that. First, we need to try to categorize, separate this thing easily. We can able to understand comparison
Okay.
operations. We will
Okay.
go practicals later. First, we need to separate that so that easily we can able to understand the keywords. So this
Okay.
comparison keywords like a true and false boolean values. See here, this boolean is capital F and like a false and true. False and T is capital true. Except this boolean and this boolean true and none, all keywords are lowercase keywords. Siddharth, you identify that. There is no keyword with the capital letter except these three: false,
Okay.
none, and true. False, none, and true.
Okay.
All key reserve words are lowercase only.
Yeah.
Right? Fine. These are the